Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the refrigerator door magnet on your Samsung refrigerator. Removal and reinstallation of the magnet on your refrigerator door of your Samsung refrigerator is actually very easy to do. It only requires a few basic tools. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you'll be looking at having to remove and reinstall that door magnet is in such a case if something was to happen to the door, it got damaged or twisted, and for some reason you had to replace it and you had to remove it and reinstall a new one, well, the magnet has to be transferred over from the old door to the new door. The purpose of the magnet that's in the door is actually allowing the fridge to know when the door is open and closed, so it knows when to turn the light on or off, as well as the cooling fans are shut off when the door is opened. So the magnet basically does this. So in order to access the magnet on the refrigerator door of your Samsung refrigerator, you're going to need to get up higher than the top of the fridge. So a step stool or ladder, whatever keeps you safe in order to get up this high. And once you're up here, in order to locate that magnet, it's really easy. When you look at the top of the refrigerator, you're going to see right here on this plastic cover the word switch. And right across from that on the door itself, there's a little recess opening where the magnet is actually sitting into. So you're just going to take a blade screwdriver, bring it into so you're coming up, the tip of your screwdriver is against the end of the magnet. Just apply a little pressure to tip it up. Now you can just take hold of the magnet itself and lift it right out of place. So you can see the magnet is actually quite small. It'd be really easy to miss this if the door was replaced and not removed and reinstalled on the new door. And without it, it affects your operation. The fridge won't know when the door is open and closed. It also won't know to turn off the fans when the door is open. Reinstallation is even easier. We're just going to bring the magnet into position, lower it into the opening, and now take our blade screwdriver and just push it down into place. And there, you're all set. It's just that easy to replace the magnet in the refrigerator door of your Samsung refrigerator.